and Warlord in that order. And going along for the first turn, we have Princess Julian by Varalenka, followed closely by Touch of Class in second. Kai Kamrens now moving up by Daryl to take third alongside the Real Heaven. Calvin's Fury is racing in fifth. 4 lengths so in 6 leg up. Then followed by Flash Away and Warlord is still running in last as they swing down the back. We have Princess Julian by Varalenka and a half. Real Heaven now moving up to take second. Touch of Class thrust back in third. Calvin's Fury moving up down on the inside. Then followed by leg up, Flash Away, Warlab and Kai Kamrens. And it's still Princess Julian by only half a length. Real Heaven now coming closer on the outside second. 5 lengths away in third. Calvin's Fury, Touch of Class. And it's still Princess Julian by about half length. And on the outside, Real Heaven as they come down at the last 200. All eyes are glued on these two. Princess Julian this time by about 2 lengths. Real Heaven in second. Calvin's Fury last 50 meters. It's a sweet revenge coming from Princess Julian over Real Heaven. Then comes Calvin's Fury. Leg up.
Yan nga po, si Princess Julian ay unang tuloy, malaya pang nanalo, no? Kay Real Heaven.
Doing 19, 25 and a half, 24 and a half, 29, 138 seconds flat. Ang preba ni Princess Julian.
Langit eh, ha? Nawi. Tayo ba yan? Balikan natin ang official result ng ating race number 4.